So guys, today we will see what is inside this good night machine. We all have this type of machine in our house. Let's open this machine, and there is two screw, and this is the heating point. These are the mechanisms. Let's open. To open this, I need this type of screwdriver, and simply open those two screws. One screw is open, this type of screw is there, and let's open the second one. The second screw is also opened. Now gently pull this and you will see the mechanism of the latest good night system. This is the system. You can see what is inside. Let's see details. There is a LED bulb, and this is a switch, small switch, and this is the connection. You can see there is a small IC. You can see here there is a small IC. There is a transistor, and these are some components, and this is the heating mechanism. Let's pull this out. It is attached like here, and this is the heating coil. I think this is the heating coil. Let's remove the circuit gently. Okay. This is the holder. This is the IC on the circuit board, and it also just like here. This is the main structure. You can see, and this is the heating board. Can you open this up? No, it is. No, I can't open this. This is fixed, I think. And how it's work? This is the diagram. You can see. This is neutral, phase, and this is the common. So that's how it's work. So if you enjoy this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Hope you enjoy this video. Thank you.